Hello traders, hope you are all doing great and I really hope you had a nice and good weekend. Today two things happened. One is Nifty touched all-time high and one more thing happened. One guy touched all-time low, right? We will talk about the all-time high later in this part of the video, but we'll talk about all-time low. You know, there is a famous uncle, right? And people always say about why are you talking about this uncle? Why are you always poking him? What is the matter? Why you are against him? Why you are talking both in Telegram and even in comment section also? You tell me. Not only today, not only me, whole India, this whole traders fraternity stood against him. And you know why? Because he was sarcastic, he was very arrogant, and he just crossed the line. That's what I want to say. And let me tell you, there is a poem in Tamil language, Purananuru. Yadum Ure Yavarum Kelir, Thidum Nandrum Pirathara Vara. What does that mean, you know? Goodness and badness is not for what is happening to you, or any goodness or badness has happened to you is not because of others, it is all because of you only. Thidum Nandrum Pirataravara. It was written in 5th century. Now we are at 20th century. It was written 1500 years back. Now whatever he did today is because of him only, not because of others. Being sarcastic, being arrogant, promoting unregulated currency, cryptocurrencies. In fact, I put a video about cryptocurrency. I put a video putting his picture on also on that, and I put the thumbnail as deceptive assurance, right? I put a deceptive assurance, and one guy told me he is going to put a defamation case. What defamation case? You come and put a defamation case against Umar. We'll see in the court. You are promoting a false exchange, an unregulated exchange which is not regulated by government of India. And when people ask, when that company went bankrupt, when people people are asking about that, you are just mocking them, sarcastically replying to them. Is this called if you make crores and crores of rupees, you drive a Mercedes S-Class, does that mean you can talk anything, you can do whatever you want? With all due respect, I understand completely. He is a very genuine guy. He doesn't post any fake P&Ls. He does everything right. I have also learned from him. No denial about that. But you cannot be this much sarcastic. You cannot be so arrogant with the public, or you cannot be sarcastically arrogant with the people who brought you to this level. Had not there been these guys, these people, this public, would you have been in this position now, right? So anyway, why am I saying all this is because this is a very, very important lesson. This is you cannot be arrogant. If you are not interested in some people, just block these people. If people are trolling you, every social media has given option to block those people. You just block those people and move on, move forward. Previously, I used to post P&L. I stopped posting P&L. My views went down, and people started saying you have to post some P&L. I told, how can I post P&L? If I am not making profit, how can I post P&L? If I make profit, I can say I made this much profit. And I have told many times, I can show all those videos where I have told I have made loss. Last 6 months I have not made any money. We are cost to cost this year. Markets are so much volatile. So many times I have told. Views have come down. This channel views have come down drastically. Not drastically, around 10 to 15, 20% views have come down. Agreed. Because views are coming down, I cannot come out and give an unethical explanation, right? I cannot give an unethical, do unethical things. I cannot show a fake screenshot, or I cannot show a photoshopped P&L, right? This is changing your core value, right? So I'm sure you must be knowing what is happening in social media. This is not very fair. This is not fair at all. You shouldn't be arrogant. You shouldn't be sarcastic. Please stay to your heart. Don't take your success here. Keep it here. You might win, right? Anyway, we'll look at the markets, and markets are really in good condition. Worldwide, if you see world markets, US Qs are really low. Markets are coming down. I think Dow Jones is down by 194 point, S&P 500 is down by another 0.5%, Nasdaq, not only European futures, even S&P 500, DAX, German, France, FTSE, everything is down by more than 0.5% to 1%. But what is very interesting is that our markets, Indian markets, particularly Nifty, hit a lifetime high. Today was Nifty's lifetime high, I think. It is around 18,600. Last time I'm sure Nifty was somewhere around 18,600. Today's high was around 18,615 or 20, right? So this is how the markets are behaving. Markets are super bullish, and even FIAs, for your information, they have bought for around 935 crores and DAIs have bought for around 87 crores. Both DAIs and FIAs have bought for our net buyers today. And when it comes to Nifty, I think Reliance was performing exceptionally well. We don't know what is behind the scene or what is happening in terms of Nifty, but it was up by more than almost 2.5%. So that was the only reason Nifty was holding high. And throughout the day, first half of today's trading session, Bank Nifty was not performing. It was only Nifty which was moving on the higher side. There was every dip was being bought into, and it was moving higher and higher. But Bank Nifty for almost today's trading session, it was really flat. Once Europe opened, I thought markets will come down. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty will drag the market. Bank Nifty will pull the market downside. But what happened contrary is that market went on the higher side, right? So again, India VIX increased marginally, I think around 2 to 2.5%. So this is how the markets are looking like. As I told you, go and do non-directional strategy. Any non-directional strategy, markets are not going to make any violent moves. So this is, I can understand that premiums are really low. But believe me, I told in previous video also, if premiums are low, your profits might be very less, but this profit, whatever you are making, is going to be consistent. So that is what I am trying to say here, right? So take non-directional strategies, whether it is ratio spreads, calendars, or strangles or straddle, any strategy you want, you are likely to make good money, right? We have a very vibrant Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below. If you want, you can join the Telegram group, and there are lots of people who discuss, there are lots of intellectuals who discuss things about trading in the Telegram group, right? So today's video we talked more about Uncle. Future we'll see how things are spanning out. We are changing the studio setup. We are trying to engage more with our subscribers. So we'll see how things pan out. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.